You're eating clean, using expensive skincare, maybe even taking collagen supplements. But your skin still looks tired, your joints still ache, your hair thinner every month. Here's the truth. It's not about how much collagen you take. It's about whether your body can actually use it. And today, I'm showing you 5 powerful foods that can naturally activate your body's collagen production, starting from the inside out. Backed by science, proven by real results. But listen closely. Even if you eat all 5, there's one hidden factor that can block everything. A silent collagen killer that could be sabotaging your skin, your joints, your whole body, and hardly anyone's talking about it. We'll reveal exactly what it is at the end of this video. And when you find out, you'll understand why your efforts haven't been working until now. So if you're serious about real, natural anti-aging, not just surface-level fixes, stay with me till the end. The last 60 seconds might change your entire approach to beauty and health. Let's get into it. Number 5. Berries. Small fruits, massive anti-aging power. They may look cute on a plate, but don't let their size fool you. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These are nature's anti-aging grenades. Here's why. Berries are packed with vitamin C, a critical nutrient your body needs to build collagen. But it doesn't stop there. They're also loaded with antioxidants, which act like microscopic bodyguards, shielding your collagen from free radical damage, the invisible culprit behind wrinkles, sagging, and premature aging. Now, let me tell you about Sarah, a 42-year-old marketing executive from Austin, Texas. For years, Sarah battled what she called tired skin. Not quite wrinkles, not quite dullness, just that worn-out look that no amount of high-end skincare seemed to fix. She tried everything: retinol, peptides, facials, even collagen supplements. Nothing made a real difference. Then one day, during a routine dermatologist visit, she heard something surprising. Her doctor said, "You don't need another cream. You need to feed your skin from the inside." He handed her a list of collagen-friendly foods. At the top, mixed berries. So Sarah made one small change. She started adding a big handful of blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries to her morning oatmeal every single day. At first, she didn't expect much, but by week 4, she noticed her skin didn't feel as dry. By week 6, friends started asking if she'd gotten something done, but she hadn't. No new skincare, no filters, just one quiet habit that fed her skin from within. Her dermatologist's follow-up comment said it best: "Whatever you're doing, keep doing it. Your skin's repairing itself from the inside out." So yeah, they may be small, but berries, they're a daily act of skincare your body can actually use. And don't go anywhere, because number 3 on this list is so powerful, even celebrity facialists are now recommending it to their private clients. And we'll get there in just a moment. 4. Dark leafy greens, the silent builders of firm, youthful skin. They don't come in fancy packaging. They don't have flashy marketing. But spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are some of the most underrated collagen allies on the planet. Why? Because they're loaded with chlorophyll, the green pigment that plants use to convert sunlight into energy. Chlorophyll has been shown to increase the precursor to collagen in your skin, helping your body build more of it naturally. They're also rich in vitamin A and magnesium, which support skin elasticity and tissue repair. Now let me introduce you to John, a 58-year-old amateur cyclist from Portland, Oregon. John wasn't obsessed with skincare, far from it, but he started noticing something he couldn't ignore: more joint stiffness, more fine lines. His energy was dipping. He just didn't feel resilient anymore, in his body or in his skin. He chalked it up to age, until a friend, a retired nutritionist, asked him a simple question: "How many greens do you eat per week?" John laughed and said, "Do green M&Ms count?" That moment changed everything. His friend challenged him to a 30-day reset. Add at least one large serving of dark leafy greens every single day. sautéed kale with eggs, spinach in smoothies, collard greens in soups. It wasn't glamorous, it wasn't expensive. But by the third week, John started noticing something subtle but powerful. His knees didn't creak getting off the bike. His skin looked a bit more hydrated, less thin. His barber even asked if he was doing something new. His skin looked fresher. The biggest shift, he felt more supported from the inside. When John went for a checkup 2 months later, his doctor told him his inflammation markers had improved and that something's working. Turns out, it was a bunch of greens doing quiet magic in the background. So no, leafy greens aren't flashy. But sometimes, the most powerful anti-aging tools are the ones growing right in your backyard. And just wait, because coming up, we've got a food that works on your skin, your gut, and even your brain. And it's becoming a secret weapon among wellness insiders. Keep watching. We're just getting to the good part. 3. Fatty fish, the foundation layer of healthy skin and strong collagen. If collagen is the structure, then omega-3s are the glue that holds it all together. And that's exactly what fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines deliver in every bite. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, one of the biggest enemies of collagen. They also provide zinc and selenium, 2 key minerals that protect your skin and support the natural enzymes your body uses to produce and maintain collagen. But here's what makes fatty fish different. They don't just help you build collagen, they help preserve the collagen you already have. Let me tell you about Emily, a 35-year-old UX designer from San Francisco. Emily didn't have bad skin, but it lacked vibrancy. She always looked a bit tired, even after 8 hours of sleep. Her digestive health was off. She had frequent breakouts, and she constantly reached for concealer. One day, while researching ways to balance hormones and support gut health, she came across a podcast featuring a holistic dermatologist who said, "If I could only recommend one food to support skin, gut, and mood, it would be wild-caught salmon." That same day, Emily made a change. She committed to eating fatty fish 3 times a week, baked salmon on Monday, sardines on toast midweek, grilled mackerel on Saturdays. At first, nothing dramatic happened. But by week 3, she started waking up without puffy eyes. Her breakouts reduced. Her digestion improved. By week 6, people started saying things like, "You look really well rested." Even her mood felt steadier, calmer, stronger. She wasn't chasing collagen anymore. She was nourishing the foundation that makes collagen possible. And here's a bonus tip from her. She started eating the fish skin, too. And that's where a huge amount of collagen and healthy fats are hiding. So if you're looking for something that does more than just make you glow, fatty fish is the triple threat. Skin, gut, mind. But we're not done yet. Because next, we're heading into the kitchen to something you already have, but probably underestimate. It's the simplest collagen booster on this list, and maybe the most essential. Don't blink. You'll want this one. 2. Citrus fruits, the spark that ignites your body's collagen engine. You've probably heard that vitamin C is good for your skin, but here's what most people don't realize. Without vitamin C, your body can't produce collagen at all. It's the spark plug in the collagen production process, the cofactor your body needs to convert proline and lysine, amino acids, into strong, structured collagen fibers. Or, to put it simply, no vitamin C equals no collagen. That's where citrus fruits, like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits, become your skin's best friend. They don't just provide vitamin C, they also contain bioflavonoids, which help protect existing collagen and enhance absorption. Let me tell you about Carlos, a 50-year-old high school teacher from Miami. Carlos wasn't focused on skincare. He was just trying to get healthier overall. But after a stressful year of remote teaching, his energy was low, his digestion was off, and he started noticing deeper lines forming around his mouth and forehead. His daughter, who had just gotten into functional nutrition, gave him a playful challenge. "Dad, Drink warm lemon water every morning for 30 days. No excuses. He laughed, but he did it. Every morning, first thing after waking up, a full glass of warm water, juice of half a lemon. 2 weeks in, he felt more alert in the mornings. By week 4, his co-workers started asking, "Have you been sleeping more?" His skin looked smoother, more hydrated. His under-eye circles lightened. Even he noticed that shaving felt easier. His skin had more elasticity. It wasn't a miracle cream. It was citrus, daily, simple, powerful. Today, Carlos still starts his morning with lemon water and adds orange slices to his lunch most days. Because sometimes, the best health upgrades don't come from a lab. They come from your fruit bowl. And now, we've arrived at the #1 collagen-boosting food on our list. It's rich, it's nourishing, and it delivers actual collagen directly to your body. But here's the catch. Most people don't prepare it right. We'll show you exactly how, right after this. 1. Bone broth. Ancient wisdom meets modern collagen science. If there's one food on this list that delivers collagen straight to your cells, it's this. Bone broth isn't trendy. It's timeless. It's been used in traditional cultures for thousands of years to heal, nourish, and rebuild the body. And today, science confirms what our ancestors already knew. Bone broth is rich in collagen types I, II, and III, along with gelatin, glycine, proline, and essential minerals that support your body's entire repair system. Not just your skin, but your joints, gut lining, and connective tissues. But here's the real magic. It's bioavailable. That means your body can absorb and use it right away. Let me introduce you to Susan, a 47-year-old yoga instructor from Boulder, Colorado. Susan had always been active and health conscious, but in her mid-40s, she started noticing nagging signs of aging, popping knees during stretches, brittle nails, dry skin that didn't bounce back like it used to. She thought she was doing everything right, plant-based eating, supplements, exercise, but something was missing. One day, a fellow yoga teacher handed her a mason jar of homemade bone broth and said, "Try this for a week, just a cup a day. Tell me what you feel." Susan was skeptical, but curious. She warmed it up each morning and sipped it slowly, like tea. By day 4, her digestion felt smoother. By week 2, her joints were moving more freely. Her nails, growing faster and stronger than ever. But the biggest surprise, her skin. She described it as more supple, like it remembered how to be young. Now, she makes her own batch every Sunday, simmered low and slow, with beef bones, a splash of apple cider vinegar, herbs, and filtered water, and she swears by it. I don't think of bone broth as food anymore. It's part of my skincare routine. Bone broth may not look glamorous, but it's the collagen elixir your body recognizes and welcomes. Still, here's the part no one tells you. You can eat every one of these 5 collagen-boosting foods, but if you're missing this one invisible factor, your body might never fully absorb or use the collagen you're trying so hard to build. We're about to reveal it, and once you know, it will shift the way you think about aging forever. Stay with me. This final piece will connect everything. So you've learned the 5 best collagen-boosting foods: berries, leafy greens, fatty fish, citrus fruits, and bone broth. And yes, they work. But here's the secret. Your body can't build or protect collagen if you're constantly stressed. That's it. The silent collagen killer isn't what you're eating. It's what you're feeling. Chronic stress. When your body is under stress, it releases a hormone called cortisol. And cortisol, it's a collagen destroyer. It breaks down existing collagen, delays wound healing, and stops your body from making more, no matter how clean your diet is. And most of us, we live in a near constant state of low-grade stress. Work, screens, noise, deadlines, overthinking. Now let me tell you about Brenda. A 39-year-old graphic designer from Chicago, Brenda was doing everything right. Smoothies, bone broth, yoga, a bathroom full of clean beauty products. But her skin still looked puffy. Her joints still ached. She was exhausted. It wasn't until she joined a 14-day stress reset challenge, just 10 minutes a day of guided breathing and unplugging, that something clicked. By day 5, her energy changed. By day 10, her skin looked brighter. By day 14, she said something that gave me chills. For the first time in years, I feel like my face belongs to me again. No new products, no extra food, just calm. So here's your real collagen strategy. Eat the right foods, reduce chronic stress, sleep deeply, hydrate fully, breathe often. That's how your body remembers how to rebuild itself. Because collagen isn't just about looking young, it's about feeling strong, supported, and whole. Which of these 5 foods are you already eating? And which one will you start today? Let me know in the comments. And if you want us to create a follow-up video on the 5 biggest collagen killers to avoid, hit that like button and subscribe. This is True Health Way, where real health starts from within. We'll see you in the next one.